Want to make your transit payments effortless with your iPhone? Adding your Metro card to Apple Wallet can streamline your commute. In this guide, I'll show you how to add your Metro card to iPhone for seamless travel. To add your Metro card to iPhone, first, ensure your specific Metro system supports integration with Apple Wallet. If it does, open the Wallet app on your iPhone. Tap the plus button in the top right corner. Select Transit Card from the options. You'll then be prompted to search for and select your specific Metro system, e.g. MTA in New York, Ventra in Chicago. Follow the instructions to either add an existing physical card by entering its details or create a new digital card. Finally, confirm any terms and conditions and authorize the transfer or creation of the card. Once successfully added, you can simply hold your iPhone near the reader at turnstiles or buses to pay your fare. And there you have it. Adding a Metro card to iPhone makes transit easier. If this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips.